It's your girl Stace in the place, and we are here to tell you all about Tropidelic, or at least our first impressions. And so far, the pups seem to be enjoying it as well as myself. Today, I believe it's between today and Thursday. You'll be able to pick up the Tropidelic mini perfume for $8, as well as the single wick candle. This one's $10, or you can also pick it up with a reward. So let's get into this beautiful scent. So it is Irresistible Passion Flower, Ylang Ylang, and what is that last note? Misty Rainforest, and it smells absolutely divine. So good. So I have already sprayed it on myself, like already twice. I've had it on, I would say, for about 2 hours or so. And it still smells great, but I just wanted to spray it again just to like get another vibe going on. It's so good. It's so good. I feel like the scent directly matches up with the packaging and everything, like the whole entire vibe. Like it just smells like this fancy exotic rainforest, and just it just gives the vibes. The song that it makes me think of is this bossa nova song by, what's his name, is it I think it's Sergio Mendes, but it's like this cute little bossa nova song, and it's like, oh, that song is so good. I believe a couple of years ago, the same artist, he made he did it also with Black Eyed Peas, and so they have will.i.am like rapping on it and stuff, and it's a little bit faster. But I don't know, the more so the original bossa nova, like full bossa nova version, is the one that I really like, and that, I don't know why, but that song just like popped up in my head, and I'm like, yeah, that's the vibe. So this, I mean, absolutely beautiful. If you were looking for a nice tropical scent, get you in the mood for vacation, absolutely. And I feel like before you go to check it out, because you should definitely check it out and get this little baby on sale. I mean, for $8, you get to try it, see if you really even like it, because that's going to be cheaper than purchasing any of the travel items. It's also going to be cheaper than any of the body care if you're able to pick this up for $8. And it's a perfume, so it's the strongest version of this. So I would highly recommend picking this up if you're at all interested. I believe it's between Monday and Thursday, but I would say go Monday to Wednesday, just to be sure, just to be safe. But yes, I'm really enjoying it. Already have the candle under the single wick. Already have the candle under the candle lamp going. So I felt, when I was driving around, because I was there at the store at 10 o'clock ready to pick it up. And I sprayed myself right afterwards. And then I had to drive around, do some errands and stuff. Hey. And I was thinking, I was like, what could I say? Hey. You two need to get it together, or you will not be going on vacation with Tropidelic, okay? It gets the dogs going. Sorry. So I was thinking of like, what other perfumes are there out there that gives me the same kind of vibe? I'm not going to tell you the first one that came to my mind, because that first one is like, it is the one. But we'll go through the others that I figured that people might bring up. Here you go, Winnie. Sometimes, can you sit here? Sometimes they get along and they're fine, and then other times they have lovers' quarrels from time to time. So sometimes they need a little bit of a separation. Parenting, I tell you. Well, dog parenting. So sorry, we're still getting used to our new set that we set up this morning. So I thought people would bring up Coco Paradise and probably say that it might be similar. I would say that it's along the same vein, but it's heavy, like way heavier on the coconut, and I feel like the coconut stands out far more. It like they're kind of similar, but this one's for a coconut lover, coconut dream. This, you don't get a lot of coconut in it. What other one? I would spray it and all that stuff, but like I've already sprayed them, so that because I was like, let's save everyone some time. Here's Hibiscus Paradise. I thought this one probably would come up as well. You know, like kind of, but not really. This one is far more floral to me. It's not the same. Like, are they cousins? Sure. Are they sisters? No. But then again, it depends on like how mentally you like, you know, how close you do family and like family tree. So yeah, never mind. Ignore me. But the one that I feel like is the closest is gonna be this Aerin Hibiscus Palm. I have had this one for I think maybe 2 years. Has it been 2? I think 2 years. Yeah, I picked it up at the cosmetic company store. But this perfume, I love this. They're very, very similar. This one is more, what's the word? Complex, I would say. This one has a little bit of ginger in it, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of amber, but it also has the ylang ylang. What else was in this one? Ylang ylang, hibiscus flower. What else was in here? Do you remember? It's another, lotus flower. I was like, it's another flower, but it wasn't passion flower, but it was lotus flower. And to me, this one smells like super similar to this one. This one is a little bit more, like this one is straight up, you're out there in the Amazon rainforest, like you are out there. The flowers are in bloom, the greens are luscious. You're out there with somebody who just, you know, is just a sight to be seen. Okay, that's this one. This one is more of like, you know, when you see someone go on a vacation and they go to the rainforest, but it's more so that they're at a 5-star luxury resort and they have little animals and sloths that are like going by the balcony, and if you pay a little bit extra, you can like be out there and maybe go on an excursion and get your hands a little dirty if you want to, but it's more about the aesthetics and like, I don't know, the ritziness of it all, versus the Tropidelic. Where did you steal it? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I was like, dang. Versus the Tropidelic is more like you are out there in the rainforest, like somebody who is very attractive to you said, hey, you want to go on an adventure? And you were like, absolutely, sign me up. And the little bossa nova music is playing in the background, and you're just like, yes, I can't wait to samba. Like you're in the vibe, you're in the zone. And like it even has like, dare I say, y'all know I'm an earthy, woody, lovey girl, but like it almost has like a little hint of earthiness to it. Not strong, but like it's a hint. Like there's a hint, a little something dirty in here. I'm here for it. Like you could tell, you could probably tell from my reactions. Like I am so here for this. I almost feel like I should not purchase the perfume because I have this one, but I don't know. We got some time. It isn't out yet, so I got some time to think about it. But yes, if you have this Aerin Hibiscus Palm, or you've smelled it, it's gonna smell very similar. Like these two could be sisters for sure. Like the DNA, the vibes is very much the same. But the Coconut Paradise and Hibiscus Paradise, like they're part of the fam, but they ain't tight like these two. So anyhow, we are going to let the single wick, let it do its thing. I'll probably give it about 2 hours, and we'll see where it's at. I'll like go walk into the other room, do some stuff, and then come back, because I feel like that's kind of like you know, you can warm something, but when you're in the room, you're going to become a little bit asthmatic to it, because you're like, you are constantly smelling it. It smells really good. But yeah, so we'll give it some time. We'll go, come back. We will probably, I love how we say we, like, because when I say we, it's the four of us this time, right now, in this present moment. But meanwhile, these three are asleep. I mean, I need new coworkers, because clearly it's a one-woman show right now. I mean, the gnomes are doing a better job than these three right now. Yeah? You been working all morning? You been testing out scents? A mess. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please take a hot second to like, comment, and subscribe. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So, you know, just take a hot second, just hit the button. Please hit the button. And we will catch you all in the next video. Bye. I can't believe you guys fell asleep on me. Oh, now you're awake playing possum. The shade.